React Native versus Flutter. Which one should you choose for your next project? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. React Native, developed by Facebook, lets you build apps using JavaScript and React. If you're already a web developer, the learning curve is much smoother. You're basically leveraging your existing skills to build for both iOS and Android. It has a massive community and a huge library of third-party packages, which is a big plus. On the other hand, we have Flutter, Google's UI toolkit. It uses a language called Dart. Flutter is known for its incredible performance and its beautiful, highly customizable widgets that look and feel native. It compiles directly to native code, which often results in faster, smoother animation. Its hot reload feature is also a developer favorite, letting you see changes instantly. So, the choice, if you have a strong JavaScript background and want to get started quickly, React Native is a solid bet. If top-tier performance and a beautiful, custom UI are your priorities, give Flutter a serious look. What's your pick? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.